friends, welcome. Is my voice clear? Yes, no? Is my voice clear? Yes. So welcome. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shailesh Saraf, founder of Value Stocks app. And we launched this app last year, approximately last year, just before the pandemic. And we are very happy to share that thousands of customers, I'm talking of paid customers who have paid for the app. They are extremely happy. So today is an introduction of the app, and also we'll be sharing how to predict Nifty. How many are trade? How many actually do 4 lots of Nifty or Bank Nifty? That means where you use approximately 5 lakh rupees of margin. How many do about that kind of Nifty trading? How many people? How many people? I do. Okay, Kapil. Okay. Harsh. Okay, I'm unable to hear voice. My voice is clear, right? Is my voice clear, Vikash? Rishabh?
Yes, sir. It's clear. It's very clear.
Yeah. You said the voice is too low. I also do, but only buying. I'm not selling. Okay, friends, so welcome. We'll discuss how to predict Nifty trend. See, today we are swing traders. Huh? Do you understand what is a swing? What is the difference between swing trading and intraday? Because Rishabh, can you show that WhatsApp slide which I had sent you?
Yes, sir.
Day trading and swing trading difference.
Yes, sir. Opening in a minute.
So, friends, we have about 200 people now. So just want to clarify that if you're not a trader, then this course will not benefit, this session will not benefit you. You should be a Nifty or a Bank Nifty trader, either in futures or options. If you're not a trader, then it's difficult, right? So we will tell you the difference between swing trading. That's correct. Swing trading is positional trading, Apurva, which that's correct. Very good, Debojit Das. If you do that trading, then this session will really benefit you. I do Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty. Very good, Srinath. Positional, okay, very good. So I'll just show you the difference because some people don't understand what is swing trading. Swing trading is actually known as positional trading, and one is known as intraday trading. So I want to know how many do positional trading or swing trading and how many do intraday trading. Can I see on the swing on Nifty and Bank Nifty, because today is a Nifty and Bank Nifty day. Positional, okay, Darsh, thank you. I do both. Sachin Verma does both. I do positional, swing, positional and swing both. Position swing is same, Rishikesh. Both intraday. Okay, so we are experts in positional trading and swing trading. Okay, so let's discuss first positional trading. So this is the difference. In day trading, you make multiple trades per day. Okay, your position lasts from hours to days. It's a full-time job. Huh? Now, there is one thing which people make a mistake is that when you're doing day trading, it is a full-time job. You have to be in the market from 9:15 to 3:30. I do a lot of day trading. I especially me, I am a very big option player, and we sell options to earn 3 times time value intraday. Huh? I don't do. So that requires that I have to be in the screen from 9:15 to 3:30. Okay. So you use short-term buys and sell signals, relies on state-of-the-art trading platform, multiple smaller gains or losses. Is my voice clear, Rishabh?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Anirudh, it's your problem. Just right now, and people are writing their problem.
Yes, sir. I'm replying.
So people
Yes.
like Anirudh Kulkarni and they're writing again. This there. So it's your problem or your speaker's problem, sir. You have to get a better speaker. Okay, swing trading is make several trades per week. It is positions from days to weeks. It is a part-time job. You can still do something else and do swing trading, right? So people are very, very unclear. Some people, they are busy working, or they have a business and they do intraday trading. That is the worst thing you can do. If you are an intraday player, you have to be in front of the screen from 9:15 to 3:30. Rishabh is saying voice is breaking.
No, sir, it's very clear. I can hear you very clear.
Just keep writing that to this AK guy, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm replying.
Yeah. Sir, my voice is very clear. Everybody can listen to me. Please don't write. It's your problem or your computer's problem, sir. Okay. Swing trading. So swing trading, you can be part-time. That means you can do something else and just do swing trading because you are not bothered about intraday movements a lot. Utilizes trends. Okay. So basically, once you should know that what is the trend for Nifty for the next 10 days, 15 days. The trend is very, very important. Are we clear? Not clear? Okay. So utilizes trends and momentum. You should know what is the trend, especially what is the momentum. Okay. It can be operated through a standard broker of fewer, more substantial gains or losses. So please understand the difference, because some people don't know and they are actually swing traders and they start doing intraday trading. And some people who are day traders, they start doing swing trading. So doing both is not an easy job, because both are very, very fundamentally different ways of trading. Okay. So I want to ask you first, swing traders are how many people are doing intraday trading, but they're also working? Then you should not be doing day trading at all. You should have a fixed way, a fixed stop loss, and you don't trade on minute charts. Okay, swing trading is usually, it can easily be done on daily charts. Okay, so these are very, very important things. Varun, if you are new to trading, then this session will not help you, because we are looking for traders who are already either swing or doing some day trading. This session is actually for them who have a minimum 5 lakh rupees of margin in Nifty, Bank Nifty option futures. If you are not a trader, because we don't teach what is intraday. We only teach you straight trend and then start taking training. So it's a slightly for intermediate people. It's not for beginners. And you should at least have 5 lakh rupees of margin. So we have 209 people. So if you have 5 lakh rupees of margin and you are doing trading, then this session will benefit you. Okay, if you're not, then this session will not benefit you. You're most welcome to stay there, but we want to be very clear. You know, so if you're a startup, if you're a new guy, you're a beginner, this session is not for you. Okay, Varun Hamilpur. So this session is not for you, sir, but you are most welcome to join and start learning the process. Okay, so how many are doing intraday trading, but they're not full time? That's minimum, Amit, minimum 5 lakh rupees of capital. Hiren Patel, if you're doing paper trading, then this session is not good for you. One day you are Rishikesh, don't give me your good day. Tell me your bad days. I have many people who I have made 500% on budget day. So you are too weak against me, but that is not good. You have to make money and everything on a regular basis. Okay, Papinder Singh, swing trading. Okay, so I'll be sharing more strategies on swing trading. Intraday trading will not be sharing, but if you want to learn intraday, I teach intraday, but I teach it to very, very serious people. But I charge 1.25 lakh rupees to teach you intraday. And you have to come live in my office in Kolkata and learn from me. So I'll be teaching only swing trading today. So if you want to do swing trading, first you have to get the trend right. That how do I know the trend of Nifty will be buy or sell for the next 10 days or 5 days? Okay. So we have made a wonderful meter. So I'll just put the meter right now. Okay. So this is the swing trading strategy. So if you see, what we have done is we have made a meter trend. So right now it is showing that Nifty will be in sell. So whenever it is in red, or you have 1 lakh in contract less minus, you don't buy in swing trading. It is all positional trading. It is not trading for 1 or 2 days. It is for about 7 days, 10 days, about 15 days. Okay. So this is not intraday trading that yesterday this is going to happen. So next day this is not like that. This is like to get the trend understanding for the next 7-10 days. Okay. So if you observe right now, we'll go in the data. So it's a swing trading data. Now, if you see the swing trading, F2 and Pro have been continuously minus more than 1 lakh. They squared off their position on 3rd. Okay. And because it was a clearing, actually, Thursday is a clearing, that is why the data was come. And then again, because they square off was the position, but they have been, if you see in the entire month, they have been short only. Okay. So if you see the data for last 7-8 days, rarely you will see that they are minus for 7 to 8 days. So whenever they are minus for 7 to 8 days, that means the market is in a sell position. Okay, this is not intraday trading. This is positional trading. Again, I'm repeating again and again, because according to my experience, people don't understand the difference between intraday trading, swing trading, trend trading. They don't understand the difference. Okay. So these are the things which clearly shows. Now the question is, who is F2 and Pro, and how is this data made? Okay, so F2 and Pro, F2 is everybody know, foreign institutions, and Pro is proprietary, who also take positions. Proprietary means arbitrage houses. So there are many arbitrage houses who take position. Okay, so these two positions, this is declared by NSE every day in the evening in the website. In the evening, every day, NSE declares this site. These are in contracts. This includes all the contracts of Nifty and Bank Nifty trend. Okay. Now, if you go with the contract values right now, what is the contract value right now, Rishabh? Just see 1,77,000 contract is how much?
Yes, sir.
So we are showing you a swing strategy. Naveen Pandey, you can say, we had clearly mentioned that this is for Nifty traders who have at least margin of 5 lakhs and above. You check the advertisement, Mr. Naveen Pandey. Please check our advertisement. It is for traders who have 5 lakhs or more as margin. And there are no conditions. It is not for beginners. So if you're a beginner, it's not for you, Mr. Naveen Pandey. Sorry about that.
One contract value is approximately 11 lakhs for Nifty.
Okay, and for Bank Nifty?
And
So this is the contract value, 15,000. So 11,25,000. And Bank Nifty, what is the contract value? 35,000 into 25.
approximately 9 lakhs.
तो भगत थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करूंगा. 11,25,000 का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है निफ्टी का, और बैंक निफ्टी का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है 8,75,000. ठीक है, वो डेटा में आ जाए. So I'll do both, Mr. Balaji and Montu. I'll be speaking Hindi and English both. Huh? I'll try to do both. Try to satisfy both. थोड़ा हिंदी में ही बोलूँगा, थोड़ा इंग्लिश में ही बोलूँगा. I'll speak in English और मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगा. Yes, if you want to learn trading, that is how Naveen Pandey, there has to be some knowledge before you want to learn trading. So if you're a beginner, then first learn the basic classes and then come to our sessions, Mr. Pandey. Okay, so ये 1,77,000 contracts है. I don't know इसमें Bank Nifty और Nifty क्या है. So if you say 1,77,000 contract, how much value of market is sold? Just show it to them. I don't know Tamil, Mr. Rahul Gupta. Now let's take the average contract at 10 lakhs. Average contract 10 lakhs ले ले. And 1,77,000 contracts. So how much is the divide by 1 crore? So basically 17,000 crore rupees of short position has been taken by F2 and due. Now you see, again go back to the data.
Data.
Okay, so if you see 1,77,000 contract, that how much is Nifty and Bank Nifty, they do not disclose that. So this 1,77,000 contract means 17,000 square feet. Go to the trend. So if you see till 1 lakh, after minus 1 lakh, it is buy. Why? Because what we have seen is 1 lakh contract is usually the hedge contracts. So I will minus 1 lakh contract from there. Go to the, this is the hedge contract. Utna hedging hota hai, future se, cash se, there so much is hedging. That is what I'm teaching Mr. Bansode. Go to the data, go to the Excel sheet. We don't teach that. Mr. RS, you have to be a trader. If you don't know how to hedge, then this program is not for you.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm repeating, this program is not for beginners. Okay, so 1 lakh contract, if you minus,
Yes, sir.
because that is a hedge position, so 10,000 crore will get minus. So basically the net short is about 7,700 crore short position has been taken by foreign institutions. Foreign institutions have taken a short position of 7,700 crore rupees. Are we communicating? Net short. So go to the trend meter. Trend meter, please. So that is why till 1 lakh contract, it is still buy. So this gives you a fair idea. Now, if you see the data for next 5-6 days, they are continuously sell. Okay. So if the data is sell, then this clearing, what we have done is we have actually taken a short position. We have taken a bear short. I hope if you don't understand, I cannot answer this question. This is the minimum knowledge you should have to understand. Yes, we are only looking at option data, Manoj Kadu. We are looking only at option data. Okay. Oh, yes, Manoj, we're looking only at option data. Okay. So basically by doing this trend, you know that the market is in a sell position. Market is in a sell position. So this is how swing traders decide that what is the trend of Nifty for the next few days. Okay, so what we did was we sold 15,500 put and we bought 15,700 put and we sold it for 50 bucks difference. Okay, so this is how we take position and then take a hedge position. So this is how you study the data. And now I'll show you show them the hit ratio and everything, the returns. So we have created a derivative strategy. My sound is clear, right, everybody? Yes, my voice is clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Chandrasekhar, problem is yours, please. Message kar dena usko. So if you see what we have done, we tested this strategy, this swing trading strategies for swing traders. So we, out of 60 clearings, 44 clearings, we made money. So it's a 75% hit ratio. That's a very, very large hit ratio to make money in Nifty trading. So if you are a Nifty option trader, we will give you a call of options for 7-10 days. It's a swing trading call. It's not an intraday call. Again, I'm repeating, friends, it is not for intraday. If you are a swing trader in Nifty or Bank Nifty, then we give some options hedge call, bear spread or bull spread, in which we make very, very good money, which has a hit ratio of 75%. We have tested this strategy. Now the problem is, friends, everybody will say we have done this, we have done this, we have done this, right? How to develop trust? So what we have done is, to develop trust, to understand this thing, you will require a one-to-one. Go to the one-to-one. Trust is not going to come. Even if I share, you have to do some free one-to-one, because right now I cannot answer 200 people questions right now. I have 200 people. I can't answer in half an hour, 45 minutes. I can't answer. So number one, I'm telling you, if you're a swing trader, you're doing Nifty, Bank Nifty, or you're doing option trading, then we can be very helpful to you. You take free one-to-one, and your Nifty webinar we do every Monday, 4:30 to 5:30. So you attend 3-4 free webinars. You take some free sessions. You ask as much questions you have, because you may have many, many questions, right? So I will answer all your questions very, very easily, free of cost. And then you will know that we are doing some excellent work. You cannot trust us today in one session. That people are coming, they have some doubt, and I'm sure that you will have doubt, and I have no problem if you have doubt at me, because that is the nature of people. If you don't have doubt, then how will you function? So doubting is good, but doubting does not mean that you reject me. Doubting means keep an open mind, ask all the questions you have one-to-one free. You can attend free webinar every Monday. You can register here at free webinar for Monday. You can attend some free one-to-ones. Ask many questions on swing trading, that Nifty trend meter, that data, and then you become a customer. Once you become a customer, you ask, how did you get the ratio? What is the drawdown? So there are many questions you should ask if you're a Nifty trader. Okay, again, I'm repeating, this is for swing trading and it's very, very good. What is DIS, Abhinesh? I don't understand. What is DIS? Abhinesh, what is DIS? I'm trading option right with 10. That's good, very good. So you take the free one-to-one, you can trade with your own broker. We only provide research and we give some fantastic calls and trainings. We only give 2 or 3 calls in a month. Okay, swing trading calls are not intraday calls. So if you're a swing trader, we only give 1 or 2 calls, sell or buy in a month, and we make the entire month a very profitable strategy. It's a strategy for next 10-15 days. It's not, again, I'm repeating, it's not for intraday. It's for swing traders. Okay, so if you're a swing trader, you do Nifty trading genuinely, you know, understand options, then I can be very, very beneficial to you. But you're not a swing trader, you don't trade Nifty or Bank Nifty, you don't know about options, then I cannot help you much. Okay, so you can book your free one-to-one training today and understand more, because this is fantastic research which we have done for 8 years, friend. 8 years of research. It is some fantastic research which we are using to get the Nifty trend very, very accurately. Most of my customers are only to see the trend meter, they are becoming a customers. Anybody who's my customer is here right now on the chat? We have 181 people. Anybody who's already my customer? I am Satish Joshi. Can you put Satish Joshi on? Can you put Ashwin
Yes.
Shah and Satish Joshi? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Satish Joshi and Ashwin Shah. Yes, sorry, sir, Samaraj ji. Sorry, Sarkar ji. Can you put them online? Satish Joshi, Ashwin Shah.
Yes, sir. Satish ji can unmute himself and speak. And so Ashwin Shah can also do.
Can you unmute yourself, please? You will start the video also, given the video rights also, right?
Yes, sir. They can start their audio and video.
सतीश जी अपना ऑडियो वीडियो चालू कर लीजिए प्लीज।
चालू है सर, चालू है।
अच्छा, आप मेरा यूज कर रहे हैं? आपका कोई व्यू है सब लोग के लिए?
Yes, yes, it's very good strategy and it is beneficial to any individual who is trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Okay, thank you Satish ji, thank you. Anything else you want to share with the customers, with the new people here?
They should learn first, then they should learn.
या तो प्लीज लर्न करिए। अगर सीखने की इच्छा है तो हम लोग आपको बहुत सिखा सकते हैं, बट यू आर जस्ट विदाउट इंटेलिजेंस। आपको ट्रेड करना है तो आपको अगर इंटेलिजेंस चाहिए, ट्रेंड सीखना है, कैसे मार्केट मूवमेंट होती है, हाउ डू डिसाइड अ ट्रेंड फॉर नेक्स्ट 15 डेज, देन इज वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल। हाँ अश्विन शाह जी, प्लीज।
यस सर, हाँ बोलिए।
एनी व्यूज ऑन निफ्टी? यू आर माय कस्टमर, आपका कोई व्यू है?
नहीं, इट्स वेरी गुड एक्चुअली। even it helps in intraday also, because once we know that the trend is negative or positive, we used to buy. I used to buy when the trend is positive. I used to buy at a lower level and sell it in intraday.
Oh, very good.
It is very helpful.
So basically उसको देख के आप इंट्राडे में भी आपको हेल्प करता है?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Thank you Ashwin ji, thank you Satish ji. I hope both of you will join me for my intraday program I've launched. Satish ji, are you planning to join my intraday program?
He's an attendee right now. He can reply on chat.
Okay. Amol Tungar, what is your question, please? Yes, so this is what I gave you, the open interest. This is open interest only, my friend Sandeep B. Open it. This data is all the caught full net options of open interest only, Sandeep. This is how you analyze. This is the open interest only in the market, which gives me the trend. Okay, this is how you can predict. So this is a predicting meter. This is how you can predict the trend of Nifty. If you become a customer, you will get it, Nidhi Praveen. That's correct. The ROI is very, very high, Nikhil, more than 100 or 200%. Because it is leverage trading, na? Because the margin is less and you trade, so there's very, very high returns. अमोल तुंगड़ जी, अच्छा आप इंग्लिश नहीं समझते। ये निफ्टी ट्रेंड है आपका, जो 10 लाख रुपया आप बोल रहे थे, पहले आप फ्री में सेमिनार ले लीजिए, 1-to-1 ले लीजिए अमित तुंगड़ जी, और फिर आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए। Yes, Rishabh, we also give you bear call spread where we write calls and then we buy calls also. This is the total number of contract issues. That's correct. Yes, you should. Datnesh Singh ji should definitely join us. Take some free webinar. We shall just show them. Take some free webinar, free one-to-one, where you can ask all these questions. You know, I've sent you the link also, so you can take free and then decide. Any final questions, friends? We have 155 people before we end the day. Any final questions? Because future data we checked, it is not giving the trend properly, Mr. Manoj Kadu. So we saw the future data because the option data is 50 times larger than future data. So option data is better. अमोल तुंगड़ जी, मैं ये बोला था कि ऑप्शन डेटा बेटर है फ्यूचर डेटा से. फ्यूचर डेटा से अच्छा ट्रेंड नहीं मिल रहा है. That is, Anil Singhdani ji, you have to manage the, because of your margin. It has nothing to do with the strategy. Why I'm bearish? Because of the sell contract, Mr. Vivek Sawant. There is a sell contract in the market. That is why we are bearish. Then the market is positive, Anshul Thakur, if it is 50,000 plus. Just send the mail, Shivaj Kumar, we will do it. Five years, Roni Badri, 5 years data, 60 clearings. Anshul Thakur, if it is positive 50, then still the market is buy trend. Nidhi Praveen, no, it is not fair to everyone. If you joined late, you please take the one-to-one Nidhi Praveen. My person can help you one-to-one. Yes, 60 months. Yes, so this is how to predict Nifty by open interest. This is open interest data only. So this is called Nifty trend. Harsh Maheshwari, this is how you, this is the Nifty trend. Can you see? And this is the open interest file only. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh 50 is the open interest only. Contract which is open. Hangami SRB, please take one-to-one. Then my person can help you. I told you, na Balaji, show the data. Balaji. So this is how this data, 1,77,000 contract, this data is revealed by NSE at 6:30 in the evening. So with this data, we actually make this data, and from there we get the trend of Nifty. Please send, I have sent the link, Anil Tingjani ji. Intraday, this is more swing trading data, but some customers are using this data to even taking help in intraday also. No, we don't have any internship or job, Harsh Maheshwari. You can become a customer, we can teach you. And we have a product for 1,25,000, which we have the budget, then we will teach you intraday also in my office. No, we don't add up this data. This is for 23rd. Every day the data changes. Anshul, when you open the Excel sheet, this is the Excel sheet only. What will I open it? This is what I'm sharing it. If it is minus, that means the trend is minus. Mr. Vivek Avasti. If the trend is minus, it is minus only. ₹1,25,000 belongs to any. It is 1,25,000 rupees if you want to learn intraday trading. That will be live. You will see me trading live for 5 days in my office. Rishikesh Bhanshode, you can take one-to-one free and my person can explain you. what is intraday, what is the expiry change? Rishikesh Bansode. Please take one-to-one free. My person can explain you. So friend, we have sent you the link also. You can take the link, you can click the link, file for the intraday one-to-one form, and then you can talk. Thank you, Kapil Bariraji. Thank you so much. Yes, all your doubt will clear in one-to-one, Hiren Patel, because you will be speaking. तो one-to-one में आपके बहुत doubts clear हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि सबके questions अलग-अलग होते हैं ना. So friends, it is over now. The session is over. Thank you very much for joining. The session is over. Thank you very much for joining. Please sign for the free one-to-one. So minus 50,000 will be still there, na? So that is positive, Mr. Anshul Thakur. That is positive. I showed you, Balaji, this is the trend meter. Praveen Jogdand, I hope you can do the one-to-one. Any final questions before we close? I'll wait for 10-15 seconds. Any final questions before we close? This is according to our research. Our research for many years, we decided 1 lakh contract, Mr. Anshul Thakur. So that you can learn. You take one-to-one Rishikesh Bansode, my person can help you. The session is over, friends. You can leave, or do you have any final questions? So no final questions. Thank you very much. Please sign the one-to-one. We have sent you the link. What if? Anshul Thakur, what is the question? What if? Intraday, you have to come to my office and learn, Rafiq Ahmed. I teach intraday for people who have minimum margin of 30-40 lakhs and who can pay me 1,25,000. It's a 5-day live trading in my office in Kolkata. Yeah, so you have to study 4-5 days of data until then you will know what is the market. 6 days of data positive, negative, that means the market is quite negative. You don't see 1 day data. Rafiq Ahmed Nath, Anshul Thakur, please sign for the one-to-one, and then many questions can be answered. We have sent you the link also here. You can decide the timing yourself. There are 4 different timings here in Patel. You can decide your own timing. Please click on the link. These are the different timings. You can choose your day and time according to your convenience. Yes, that's correct. बंसोड़े जी आप थोड़ा क्लास ले लीजिए 1-to-1, आपका इजी हो जाएगा. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are leaving for the day. Namaste to everyone. Thank you.